Let's look at this video. Look at how this guy made cake. That is just a clock, not knowing that it's cake. Look at his palms. Cake. Wow. Wow. This is just a, so you think it's a soap? It's not a soap. That is cake. Wow. Cake. This guy is so wonderful, so creative. Honestly. Wow. Digital is also a cake. Wow. This microphone is also a cake. This is also a cake. This handbag is also a cake. Wow. This Indomie is also a cake. Wow. This corn is also a cake. Wow. Look at the wall clock is also a cake. This flower is also a cake. Even the wall. This guy is so creative. Wow. Even this the plantain is also a cake. Even the tissue. So creative. Look at the soap. Cake. Everything in this guy's house is cake. Everything in his house is cake, honestly. Wow. Women, you need to go and learn from this guy. Women, you people need to go and learn from this guy, honestly. The guy is so wonderful. I think I will join him. I think from next week now I will be baking. Wow. So creative. So creative. Wow. Take a look. All these things are cake. Even this handbag is also a cake. Wow. The guy is so wonderful. He's a professional. Wow. Take a look. Watch him. Wow, this handbag is a cake. Wow. This guy is too much. This guy is so creative. This is also a cake. You might think it's a gallon. It's a cake. Yeah? So wonderful. Wow. This guy is so wonderful, honestly. So creative. Watch. 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 He's very diligent. This is how to make a sewing machine. Sewing machine cake. This is sewing machine cake. This is sewing machine cake. Wow. All these things. Well, this guy is so wonderful. If you want to learn how to bake, just watch this video to the end. So creative. Wow. Look at how to make a guitar cake. Watch. Wow. So creative. Okay. This is a guitar cake. Wow. This guy is so creative, honestly. This is made this cake. Oh, guy, you too much. You too much. Look at how to make a palm slippers cake. Watch. Watch and learn. Guy, you're too much. You're too much. Watch and learn.